selling this for only 800 pesos each, and if you want to buy with the hush scents, that's 1,000 pesos each. So it's still available. You can message me on Instagram if ever you want to buy, and you know, last minute Valentine's gift ideas. So yeah, so I'm here outside. I'm done taking pictures. Okay, time to go home because I have to study fast. So flour, it's in the box. Actually, I check everything. Like, I check kung gumagana ba yung batteries, umiilaw ba, maayos ba yung pagkaano ng flour, yung string niya, and all that. Tapos, ito purple, and then this one red. So, yan yung orders for tomorrow. Pick me top. And of course, yung ribbon. Paubos na yung ribbon ko, but it's okay. And then, ito naman, it's a honeycomb wrap. So, papahita ko yan mamaya. Kasi, you know, eco-friendly siya. Instead of using bubble wrap, use honeycomb wrap daw. And then this packaging tape, of course, scissor. So yeah, this is me. Hi, I'm on the floor. Okay, so this is how the flower looks like. It's in a dome, parang Beauty and the Beast lang. Okay, so ito yung, meron siyang white thingy. So if tatanggalin mo to, I'll remove it like this. And then, ito yung switch for the lights. So here. There you go. So you can actually put, let's say, a letter inside, a picture of you guys, so you can display it at your house. I sanitized my hands already, okay? Yan, o diba? Yan yung red rose. Isa na lang yung stock, so malay mo. Wow, so this is the blue one, and this is the gold. Day 2, it's a Monday, Feb 1. Happy Feb. Okay, so kanina morning, I just finished delivering. Actually, I just booked a delivery from Mr. Speedy for my orders, and then, ayun, successfully delivered naman. I'm gonna change my top kasi I need to film a video for school. Like, we have this presentation thing. Okay, I'm just wearing this oversized Disney top. And I'm gonna change into this one. A bit formal lang kasi for school. So yeah, I'll do that. Okay, so I'm done filming the other one. You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. Yeah. 'Cause you're farther than okay, so as you can see, I wrote all the things that I have to do for this week, since next week is finals week already. And then I wrote the deadlines also. So I just finished doing the editing thing for the other homework, and then I have another one. Also, I'm gonna have class tonight in a while. Actually, it's currently 7:24 p.m. and I have class at 7:45 p.m. until 9:15. So, Ericka Javate present, sir.
Okay, so dasal na tayo, wala nang question, no? In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, Amen. Let us pray the Lasallian prayer. I will continue, my God, to do all my actions for the love of St. John Baptist de La Salle.
Pray for us.
With Jesus in our hearts.
Forever.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
I'm finally done. Okay, I just have to finalize the paper, and then I'm done. Since that paper is due at 11:59 p.m. and it's currently 9:03. So, medyo maaga nagpa-dismiss yung prof namin. So, okay, I'll do that. Finally done with the paper. It was so draining, but at least we submitted it. It's already 11:45 a.m. And then I received an order. Last night, I told you guys that I have one stock left for the red rose. And now it's sold out. So, I'm gonna pack na for the last stop.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down.
Yeah.
Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah.
And look, to gonna ship. Okay, I'm gonna arrange the shipping now. Hi everyone, just a quick update. It's Feb 2 today. And then kaninang morning, pagkagising ko, pinak ko agad yung 2 orders ng white webcam cover since may nag-order last night sa Shopee. So, syempre, ina-arrange ko agad yung pick up the following day, which is today. So, ayun, I'm just waiting for the driver na lang. I also arranged yung order for Laguna since Top Dynamics, yun yung ginagamit ko as courier to ship nationwide. So, yeah, and I'm currently having class right now. Okay, so kakatapos lang ng class. My 15-minute break every after class. Good thing, final paper lang. Since finals, diba? And I'm happy kasi nakapili kami ng groupmates and I like my groupmates. So yeah, hopefully magawa namin ito na maayos and all that. And you know, communication is key. So I'm gonna check lang kung dumating na yung pickup sa Shopee. Ask ko si ate. Wait. Ate, dumating yung Shopee? Dumating. Sige. Thank you.
Ano sa ibabaw yung upuan mo?
Yung waybill? So, I'm back in my room. And ito yung waybill for the Top Dynamics. And itong maliit is for the Shopee. And I put all the waybills here. If you want to know more how I got these waybill and how I got the pouches, you can check out the video that I have on my channel. Quick update, it's 9:09 p.m. I just finished my class and now I'm gonna edit a video. And guess what? I haven't finished a reflection. Grabe yung pinakamadali. Yun yung pinakamatagal kong natatapos. What? Anyways, usually kasi inuuna ko yung mahihirap and then saka na yung madadali. So yeah, I just have to get it done. Okay, I can do this. Oh, by the way, nakabenta ako today ng gold.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No.
I'm waiting for Kuya here. Since my pickup, this will be delivered sa QC. So, I'm just gonna wait for Kuya here. Haha! Usually, I do my delivery sa morning kasi, yun nga, mas mura yung shipping fee niya. So, I guess he's here. Let's see. Wala pa pala. Hi! Finally finished our presentation with Pinafsan, and then my dad gave me this strawberry banana smoothie. Like, it's really, really good. You guys should try it. You just need milk, condensed milk, strawberries, and banana. That's it. And then blend it all. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my next class now. And that's my last class until 9 p.m. I'm sitting on the floor. I'm pretty tired. Yes, first night na hindi ako nag-pack. Pero yung mga orders kasi, madami sa Feb 8 yung deliveries. And Feb 14, especially kasi Valentine's Day. And then wala, tinitingnan ko lang yung requirements ko. Yan. Yan siya lahat. And then, so far, dalawa pa lang nako-cross out ko. Well, kasi itong mga to, mga edit, mga presentation, so hindi ko pa talaga siya mako-cross out. But like, yeah, medyo nakaka-overwhelm lang. And then, the next page, yan, final speaking yan. See, halos na natapos na yung forest timer ko. Hindi pa rin nakatapos sa reflection. This is the update. Yan, yung update. Yan, 20 minutes work. Anyways, I'm just wearing my blue light glasses kasi I feel like baka ma-strain yung eyes ko. Kanina pa ako nakaharap sa screen. Oh, I use forest pala para hindi ako ma-distract sa phone ko. Let's say, nasa forest ka and then you're gonna check something. Let's say, your social media. Mapipilitan ka bumalik sa forest or else mamamatay yung tree. And it's really proven na they really plant trees. So, okay, this is not sponsored by Forest, pero yeah, it's really proven. And stay away from your phone and get your work done. Like me, I have to get my work done, which is this reflection. So we have to watch 9 videos. May ibang videos, 20 minutes yung vid niya. So yeah, yung transcript, if you don't know. Okay, so ito pala yung sinasabi ko. Ito yung 3 dots sa lower right. And then click open transcript. And then ito yung lalabas. O, diba? You just have to read na lang instead of watching a 2-minute video. Okay, yun lang. Binabasa ko lang to. Okay. I'll get back to work. Finally finished it! Okay, may mako-cross out ko na to. Yung Finseba. There you go. Finseba reflection. Look who's here! Oh. Thanks, Rach! Yay!
Okay na.
Currently editing right now for class. 1 out of 2. Meanwhile, Rachel is playing.
I don't have class.
What are you playing?
It's called Superstar SM10.
Ang galing naman!
Siyempre.
Perfect. Super perfect pala. So, nababa na namin si Mommy. And look at the plane na naka-park.
Motor yan eh. Joke.
Dami. Cebu Pack, AirAsia.
Driver Ericka. She was stressed.
Yeah. Oh.
Then go to arrivals.
Arrivals?
Arrivals. Arrivals. We're gonna pick up someone naman now.
Si ano?
Si boyfriend 1 and boyfriend number 2.
Keep right.
Boyfriend 1 and boyfriend number 2.
They're waiting daw. 1, 4, and 3.
Wait lang, tawagan
Kita niyo
ko
ba?
sila.
Kita niyo ba, guys?
Ayun o, nag-aabang.
Kita niyo ba?
Rich, baba ka na.
Yeah, I'm calling na. Kita niyo ba, guys?
Baba ka na. Ayan
Kita
o,
niyo?
Baka isa na sila sa nakaupo.
Kita niyo?
Asa na?
Kita niyo na nawawala? Kasi wala. Bye!
Pancake house, breakfast. Order this one. Ako gusto ko siya ano.
Iba-iba nga tayo ng flavor.
Oo nga. Gusto ko siya ng dip lang. Ikaw ba? Gusto ko ba yung...
Ayaw ko yung babad.
Ako din. Oh, pauwi na kami.
I can't find 1,000 pesos.
Stress na stress. Sweet. Medyo rainy, umaambon. Tingnan nyo. Ay, di nyo pala kita. Anyways, tapos na ako sa requirements. Our group submitted na yung final paper for Finstar. And yeah, natapos na finally this term. And now, pupunta kami sa mall. We're gonna eat sa Sumo Niku. I'm just gonna put it here. Gusto din sa mama. Pwede naman. Ayun, that is it for today's video, everyone. Happy Valentine's. Don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Bye!